Welcome to the Designing the Row Squarespace store setup series. This is just one video of many where I teach you how to set up your Squarespace store from start to finish. I'm Catherine Forbes, founder of Designing the Row, and I'm also a Squarespace expert, Squarespace authorized trainer, and Squarespace Circle member. So if you are looking for help building your Squarespace website, you've come to the right place. Let's talk about a few things that you can do on your site to let viewers know that you have your store. First things first, obviously you are going to want to add something to your homepage. Your homepage is going to be laid out differently than mine, of course, but I personally would recommend having some sort of dedicated spot on your homepage for your new products or to mention your new store. It could be a button, a picture, or it could be multiple pictures of your products, whatever you want it to be. I highly recommend that you put it somewhere on your homepage so that it's easy for people to find, other than just seeing it up here in the navigation. My other recommendation for you, I go back to home and then into this marketing tab. There's several things we can do here. First, I'm going to start with the announcement bar. And you watch when I turn this on and enable this announcement bar, this like little strip came across the top of my website. So I would change this to say new shop. Shop the new t-shirts. Like whatever whatever you want that announcement to be, put that there. And then right here you are going to put the link to your store. So whatever that's like /shop or /store, whatever you customize that URL to be, put that there. And then when you save, that will be up at the top of your website. So everybody that sees your site will see that. I'm going to disable it because I don't want that on my website, but just save that. If you do want to change the colors or the text of that bar, you can do that under Design and then Site Styles. And then just like we did to edit the product page itself, you can just click on that announcement bar and it'll bring up the options for you to change the colors and fonts of that. So that's the announcement bar. The other thing that you can do back under this marketing tab is to do a promotional pop-up. So when someone lands on your site, you can have a pop-up. You can see mine's kind of just messy text here. You can have a pop-up that says new store. You can have a picture of your products. So if I click here on change layout, you can see there's a variety of options here for just the style and the size and the placement of the pop-up. But if you were to pick this one, this is one that you could customize with a picture over here. This one is meant specifically for shopping. You could get a discount code. However you want to feature your new store, a pop-up is a great way to really get in someone's face and say, I have a new store, get a discount, or shop now. So this is what I would recommend doing. And then you can change the styling of all this right here on this promotional pop-up page. Just go through these tabs here and hit save. And go to click a button like shop t-shirts. And then put the link to that. Shop accessories, shop there. That'll just take them straight to the shop. But that's how you can customize what the pop-up does. And then just go through all of these tabs here, the content, the display, the image, and the styling, and you can change how this box looks and what it says. And then make sure you click turn it on up here to display the pop-up, and you will be good to go. I will show you in this display and timing. I need to keep moving my face. In this display and timing, this is where you manage when it shows up, how it shows up, and all those fun things. So just go through these settings and pick whatever feels best to you. So you can pick when it shows up. If you only want it to show up on like the home page, you can do that. Or if you want it to show up on whatever page someone lands on. All sorts of options to customize it here. And then just save, and once you're done with all of these settings, turn it on and you will have a pop-up to lead people directly to your store. So announcement bar and promotional pop-up and putting something directly on your homepage to let them know you have new products is a great way to lead people to your new store once they're already on your website. If this video tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any further questions, you can leave them for me in the comments. And as this is a series, I will leave the next video for you right here. And don't forget that over at designingtherow.com, I have more tips and resources on how you can build and grow your online presence.